What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be discussing aspect ratio with you guys. Specifically, we're going to be using a couple different units here today. This is a Sony 295, which is a great native 4K projector, but there are some limitations. This particular projector only does 16:9 aspect ratio, which means it doesn't have lens memory to switch between 235 and 16:9. Now, this is a 16:9 screen. So, what I want to review with you is a couple things. What's recommended for this particular projector, as well as the different aspect ratios that are available and different projectors that may work with different aspect ratios. So this is 16:9. This is your typical film screen size that you would see for sports or games or standard programming. Also, this is going to be the same aspect ratio that your television uses, like in your living room, for example. So 16:9 is very common. I like it, especially with a Sony 295, because I've posted a video prior to this of a customer that did do a 295 with a 235 aspect ratio screen, and you actually have to do quite a bit of work to actually manually adjust that picture to the aspect ratio. So 16:9 is going to be what I recommend for a Sony 295, because then you don't have to touch it. Now, what you're going to see is bars down here. See these little lines right here? You're going to see bars there and bars there. So you're not going to be using the whole screen if you are watching a movie. So this right here, this middle section, is 235, which in my personal opinion, I would prefer just to not touch the projector, and most of my customers don't want to mess with it. They just want to turn it on, watch their content, and it be optimized, ready to go. But then when they do sit down to watch, say, a football game or play a game, it's going to fill that entire screen. Now, projectors that I recommend for 235 are going to be like the Epsons on entry level. The Epson 4050, 6050, great units and very affordable. For native 4K content, I'm going to be recommending the JVC RS1000 and 2000, NX5 and 7, and those both right out of the box have lens memory built in. Now, with Sony, we're going to be looking at the Sony 695 and above. Now, of course, the Sony 995 as well as the JVC RS3000 or the NX9 also have lens memory built in. Another thing you can add on to these higher-end projectors is a panomorph lens to really give you maximum brightness and pixel resolution. If you're interested in that, make sure to reach out. We are a panomorph dealer as well. So this video basically covers aspect ratio and different screen sizes based on projection. I hope that this helps you guys in figuring out what product is right for you. And if you would like to purchase a product, make sure you give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have and get you that nationwide free shipping and low price guaranteed. If you liked the video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.